And we are in front of the new Possl Summit Shine 600R, that means with the rotatable toilet setup. And this is the Summit Shine 600L with a complete price of 70,800 euros, and these are the spec. You can pause the video and check them out. And when entering inside, we will be looking at a double-sided, pretty tall fridge from Dometic. This is approximately 90 liter. And entering inside, we have this new and bright text design with also Isofix hookup points. And there is also the table that doesn't have any part to slide out, but it's designed like that so you can take it out easier. Then we have this part where you can store more items, and also you can fold them up. And this pretty great flush finish with a pretty deep cabinet space. So let's try that. No, this is fixed. On this part, there's a Possl Group control unit, Dometic, and Truma heating. On the upper part, you have the pop-up roof bed. Pretty high and standard for this type of vans. On this side, we shall be finding the slide out if you want to have more space when doing something and cooking. On this side, we have the 2-burner stove and actual sink. The sink is not so deep, but well, they went for this design from Dometic. And also we have 3 cabinets under it for your cookware, pretty deep, to store all your items. And then one of the key features of this actual campervan is the rotatable door. Yes, so you have a bigger bathroom than the standard on this type of campervans. Then you have a fold-out sink if you want to use the sink, Dometic cassette toilet, and there should be a cabinet space up there. Yeah, pretty good. And then the complete space around you forms into a shower. And yeah, this is a pretty big shower, and you can take a shower pretty easily inside. And also, when sitting down inside the toilet, you have so much more space to use the complete part. Not bad at all. Let's close this off and check how this actually works. And there are drains all around that, so you don't spill any water when using the shower. And I'm 185, so you can understand I have to lean down a bit because this is about 180 centimeters. And then we have some kind of a longitudinal bed mounted on the back, but we shall be opening the back part and understand the dimensions of this bed. It's actually pretty good. So let's try to measure this bed from this side. 1.837, and from that side 1.9, so 2 meters. This is actually a longitudinal bed mounted on the 600 series. And we have cabinets going all around, even up here. Nicely designed for an under 6 meter van. And this is the new design from Citroën and the complete Fiat Ducato group.